Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find in the crowd filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here, effects gallery. Now I'm in trending. Make sure you are in trending, then slide up and remember this image. This is in the cloud filter. Tap on it and you got the filter. If you can't see this filter here, then you can go to discover and you can search for in the crowd. In the crowd, these are the video with in the crowd effect. Tap on any video. In the bottom left corner you will see this effect button is there, the yellow one. Tap on it. You will be directed to the effect gallery page, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. Tap the record button to use this filter, and that's it. If you can't see the filter here also, then you can visit this website. Link to this website you can find in the box below. Here you will see the effect icon. Tap on the effect icon and again you will be directed to the effect page. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this in the crowd filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.